All right, let's do some more examples, simplifying radicals, or in this case, we're going to be working with square roots, so simplifying square roots. You can never work too many examples. So let's say they gave us the square root of 75 and they want us to simplify this. So again, 75, I'm going to go to my table. 75 falls between 64 and 81. It's not a perfect square. So we need to figure out, okay, what number on this table goes into 75? Whenever you see like a 25, a 50, a 75, think of money. Think of quarters, right? 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, $1.25, like 125, 100, right? So 75, 25 can go into 75. All right, so always try to remember quarters, all right? So just think of quarters. All right, so we said 25 can go into 75, and 25 goes into 75 3 times. If you didn't know that, by all means, go to your calculator. 75 divided by 25, 3, okay? So I have no problems with using that. All right, so we have 25 square root of 25 times the square root of 3. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 3, can't do anything with. So our final answer is 5 square root 3. All right, let's try square root of 63. Okay, so what number from this list goes into 63? Well, if we weren't sure, we can always go to our calculator. We can do 63 divided by 4. That didn't work. Our next one, 63 divided by 9. Oh, that worked. So we have 9 and 7. So 9 times 7 equals 63. So we can break this up into the square root of 9 times the square root of 7. Square root of 9, 3. Square root of 7 we can't do anything with, so our final answer is 3 square root 7. All right, try this next one on your own. Square root of 72. Okay, so try to simplify that on your own. So pause the video and simplify that on your own. Okay, I'm going to assume you paused it. So square root of 72, all right? 72. Let's think about this one. 72, I'm just going to start marching through my perfect squares. 72 divided by 4. That one works. 72 divided by 9. That one also works. 72 divided by 16. Oh, that one didn't work. Okay, let's see. 72 divided by 25. Didn't work. What about 72 divided by 36? 2. Holy smokes. So what just happened here is 4, 9, and 36. The perfect square is 4, 9, and 36 all go into 72. So right off the bat though, if I didn't have a calculator, I automatically knew that 9 and 8 go into 72. So I'm going to break it up into the square root of 9 times the square root of 8. Square root of 9 is 3, then square root 8. Now, what do we always ask ourselves? Is it completely simplified? In this case, 8 is not completely simplified because 4 goes into 8. So I can break that up into 3 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. Again, that 3 just keeps coming down because it's going to multiply by it. So then I have 3 times 2 times the square root of 2. I can do 3 times 2, and I get 6 square root 2. Now, if I had my calculator and I knew that 72 could also be divided by 36, I could have taken the shortcut and done square root of 72 equals the square root of 36 times the square root of 2. 36 times 2 is 72. Square root of 36 is 6. Square root 2 I can't do anything with. Again, same answer, but 2 different ways to get there. Not a big deal. It's just like simplifying fractions. There are multiple ways to get to the fully simplified answer. You just got to keep going until you get there.